How can you save money by getting Managed VPS Hosting? VPS hosting is one of the most powerful hosting platforms that are available today. But Managed VPS Hosting raises its efficiency several notches by offering many value-added features. Here's how Managed VPS Hosting can save you a good amount of money. Seamless performance. A server that performs smoothly and consistently ensures higher incoming traffic for the sites it hosts. Managed VPS Hosting is set up and configured by a team of experts, which ensures seamless performance. Robust security. Security is a crucial concern for websites, as a breach costs them their trust and costs money for recovery. The security in Managed VPS Hosting is set up by experts, protecting websites and saving money. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is the key to a server's consistency and its ability to offer high uptimes. Managed VPS is regularly maintained by a team of experts so that it doesn't throw up nasty surprises. Timely backups. Backups are your last line of defense and ensure that you do not lose too much of your data. Managed VPS Hosting offers timely backups which save you data during a breach, saving money. Proactive support. Technical support is usually the first responder when something goes wrong in your website. Managed VPS Hosting offers proactive support that starts working as soon as anything goes wrong in your website. Reseller Club offers full-featured Managed VPS Hosting with customized server setup, specialized support, and proactive monitoring. Get a hassle-free hosting for your website that's managed by expert technicians for optimized performance.